I got asked a different version about an RSS feed for your LinkedIn activity. And I'm going to show you how you can get the URL to lots of your content on LinkedIn. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. So first of all, let's stay here on your LinkedIn profile. Let's talk about the different sections of your LinkedIn profile that now have a URL. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Well, first of all, your LinkedIn profile as a whole, that's the URL to it. When you're looking at your LinkedIn profile in the address bar, that's the entire URL to your entire profile. You can see it also under contact information. There it is right there. That's the profile URL. But I can go even better than that. Check this out. If I go down here to my experience section and I hit this pencil, look here. So that right there is the URL to your experience section. Copy that, go to a new tab, paste that there. As long as you're logged into LinkedIn or the other person's logged into LinkedIn, boom, that's going to go up. And by the way, I know that's for anybody because watch this. I'll do Randy Wooden and hit that. There's Randy Wooden's experience section. Look here, I go even further. Get out of this. Go down to education, hit the pencil, there's the URL to education. Come back out. Every single section has this pencil. Volunteering, right there. Copy that right there, go over here, paste that over here, and I'll change it to Randy. There's Randy volunteering section. Every section in your LinkedIn profile, again, when you're viewing the profile and it has this pencil, it has its own URL. So you can send that to specific people, put it in a bookmark it, maybe embed it on a website, whatever you can do with a URL, you can do it with any one of those sub URLs to your content. But I have even more information. Let me give you another big piece of, it's not an RSS feed, but a direct URL to your stuff. If I go to my activity, and go down here to show all activity. Go to the top, each page here, all activity, articles, post, and documents. Each one, I hit documents, I missed it. Each one of these pages has a URL. You can copy that. Go over here, paste it in here. Again, I'll change this to Randy. I don't know if Randy has any documents. Let's go say. There's Randy's documents. Every single page here, post. And they call it shares here. Go over here, paste that here. I'll leave mine. And there's my post. Each one of these has its own URL to that data. It's not an RSS feed, but at the very least, I do have a URL that will take you to the different sections of your LinkedIn profile, as well as the different pages of your activity on LinkedIn. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.